everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete your Kahoot account. Now to do this, the first thing you do is open up your Kahoot app and then you click on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then you click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Then click on profile settings and then give it a few seconds to open up. And once it opens up, you have to scroll down to the last option. So scroll all the way down and the last option we have is delete account. Now if you delete your account, you will lose access to all the Kahoots you created. So click on delete account. Now are you sure you like to delete your account? Because they are sorry to see us go. So once you delete your account, you lose access to the Kahoot you've created. They would like you to also share with them why you want to delete your account so you can improve their services. You can give a reason for deleting your account, choose a reason, or click order and then add your feedback. And then note that all the Kahoots are set to public will be deleted along with your account. So if you like to delete them, you have to do that manually. And once you are ready to delete, click on delete account. Confirm by clicking on this delete account option. And it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.